Hello dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to talk about Introduction to Science, Chapter 1, Introduction to Science. So first we should know the meaning of science. What is science? Science is observing, studying and experimenting to find the nature of things. So scientists mean observe, then studying and experiment, make an experiment to find the nature of things. So what scientists do? Scientists first observe something. So first observe or noticing something. For example, if you throw something up, it goes down. So you observe that. You observe when you throw a ball or any something up, it goes down. That you observe. Second, you ask a question. Inquire mean ask a question or ask why. This is a second. Why do things go down when you throw them up? So you ask a question, why do things go down when you throw them up? Third, plan an experiment or make an experiment. So first you observe something, ask a question related to this something that you observed. Third, make an experiment. Make or plan experiments. Throw a bunch of stuff up to find them going in different rates. So when you throw a bunch of something or stuff up, you find that it goes down. So you make an experiment. Again, scientists observe, noticing. If you throw something up, it goes down. Inquire, ask a question. Why do things go down when you throw them up? Third, plan an experiment or make an experiment. Throw a bunch of stuff to find them going down in different rates. After this experiment, the result of the experiment may be come up with a theory or agree with the theory or disagree with this theory. So scientific inquire mean question, the way of taking or research information through question. So inquire mean a way of taking information through question. You ask a question. So when you observe something, you ask a question about this something. This is called inquire. Why scientists perform or plan experiments? Why scientists make an experiment? First, to find out something new about the natural world. So you make an experiment to find out something new, or to observe a new something, or make a new something, to find new something. Second, to explain something that is already known. You have known something but you want to explain this something. You make an experiment to explain this something. Third, to check the result of other experiments. I use this experiment to check the result of other experiments. Just to check. Fourth, to test production of current theory. You have a theory and you want to test this production of current theory that still present. So first to find out something new, or to observe a new something, to explain something that is already known, to check the result of other experiments. You have a known experiments and you want to check the result of this experiment. Fourth, to test the production of current theory. You have a theory and you want to test production. For example, this student is doing an experiment to find out how her reflection change in different mirror. So this student make an experiment to find out how the reflection change in different mirror. So this student use a different mirror to observe reflection change in different matters. Science has many branches. Science has many branches. First, natural science, social science. Natural science is branched into biological science, physical science, earth science, while social branched into psychology or sociology. So we have two branches, natural science and social science. Natural science branched into biological science, physical science, earth science, while social science branched into psychology and sociology. Biological science, the science of living world. Science of living world. For example, botany, zoology, ecology, all of this part of biological science. Physical science, science of matter and energy. When you study matter and energy, it's called physical science. For example, physics and chemistry. Earth science, science of our planet, like geology and meteorology. So science branched into two, natural science and social science. Natural science branched into biological science, physical science, earth science. When you talk about living world, you study biological science, for example, botany and ecology, sociology. While by physical science, you study matter and energy, for example, physics and chemistry. Earth science, when you study planets, like geology and meteorology. Social science, psychology and sociology. Psychology study of human personalities and action. When you study personality of human, this is called psychology. While sociology study of societies and interaction between humans. You study interaction between humans and societies. This branch called sociology. Natural science, biological science, science of living world like zoology, study of animal, botany, study of plants, ecology, study of interaction of organisms. Physical science, science of matter and energy, like chemistry and physics. Chemistry, study of matter and its change, while physics, study of motion, force, and energy. Earth science, science of planet, like geology and meteorology. Geology, study of earth. Meteorology, study of weather. When you study weather, this is called meteorology. We have also two branches. Sometimes science can be mixed. These branches can be mixed, like biochemistry. You mix between biology and chemistry. So you study chemistry when you study matter, while biology you study living things. So when you study matter of living things, this branch called biochemistry. Geophysics. The geophysics, study of forces that affect the earth. Geo mean earth. Study earth. Physics, study forces and energy. When you study physics or forces that affect the earth, that's called geophysics. That's it. Thanks for watching.